Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. In this video I'm going to draw a kids cartoon in my own comic book style, and I chose one of the oldest franchises around, being Scooby-Doo. Here we go. Scooby-Doo is an American animated franchise comprising many animated television series produced from 1969 to present. Writers Joe Ruby and Ken Spears created the original series Scooby-Doo, Where Are You? For Hanna-Barbera Productions in 1969. This Saturday morning cartoon series featured teenagers Fred Jones, Daphne Blake, Velma Dinkley, and Shaggy Rogers and their talking Great Dane named Scooby-Doo, who solved mysteries involving supposedly supernatural creatures through a series of antics and missteps. TV Guide ranked Scooby-Doo the 5th greatest TV cartoon of all time. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. For this illustration, I wanted to draw all the main characters of the series in a kind of action scene where they are spooked by some kind of monster surrounded by some sort of green mist. The characters are drawn in my more realistic comic book style, and I gave them a bit of a 60s vibe, but not too much. The illustration would make a nice poster or comic book cover in my opinion. These redraw challenges of kid cartoons are a lot of fun. I already did The Simpsons and Futurama in the past. Let me know which franchise you would like to see in my style next. Now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... Thinking time. Here we go. that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of Scooby-Doo, and are there some other franchises you would like me to draw in my own style? Let me know in the comment section. And if you liked the video guys, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!